So when you can't ride a dirt bike, you have to make do with what you have. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm enjoying this great, beautiful Arkansas weather with some dirt bikes. Even if it is dirt bikes that are remote controlled, at least it's a red one. It may say Super Rider, but I think that really stands for Honda CRF. We gotta sticker it up. And, well, the Chevy's broke, so we gotta do what we gotta do. We got the Honda. Honda will never break.
Oh, you crashed. What else is new?
I know, right?
It's not yourself crashing, you're crashing something.
Hey, at least it didn't hurt.
You're gonna have to stand it up.
Oh no, I already broke it. That was quick. He gets the huckabucks, man.
I think it's almost out of juice.
He needs some good suspension. His suspension sucks.
I really think it's out of juice. Are you just gonna hit me?
Nope. Just gonna come flying by.
You are a terrible driver.
I'm so bad at this. Go, Super Rider. He needs some merged suspension on that thing. He's getting kicked bad. Come on, Dayton. You suck worse than me. Super Rider's looking like he might be out of commission for a minute, but we didn't even crash him. The good news is he's got a real number on there now. Number 365, Super Ride 365. We're getting some numbers for the side plates made. Fusion Graphics is gonna come through in clutch.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot.
Pit stop.
With some graphics. So with graphics, with the flag and the hooker, he'd be in control.
Hooker.
Super Rider, you're not supposed to crash on the jump. All right, go. Oh, yard sale. So Fusion Graphics got Super Rider here hooked up with some real numbers. Let's be real though, Fusion Graphics look way better than this, and they fit way better too.
Just explain to everybody what is this thing?
I don't really know what it is. It's like some really expensive RC toy. It's got like a gimbal motor thing in it, and it doesn't fall. It's a two-wheeler. It doesn't crash. I've never seen anything like it, but they showed it to me today, and I was like, well, I gotta play with this thing. This thing's sweet. So I've been out here just living vicariously through Super Rider and the fact that I can't ride. So I just let him ride for me. It's all good. We're gonna have some fun. It's a bunch of crap. Dayton won't even let me drive the RC car because he says I'll crash it. I don't even understand. Super Rider needs a good, experienced driver, and I'm that guy. All right, well, here's some slow-mo.
Well, if you love big whips and you never get sick of nose wheelie clips, then I have got a present for you. It's a video blog from Mr. BQ. Do yourself a favor and tune into his YouTube.